Boom, back in the room, and welcome to the channel. I am proper in your face with this, aren't I? Oh! So, yeah, what have I done? Jim, you pushed the button. Gone out and bought a 360 camera. But, thinking out of the box, you know what I'm like. I haven't bought the latest and most up-to-date 360 camera. I haven't gone out and bought an Insta5 or what the hell it is. Oh, no, 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 no. What's Jim gone and done? I've gone and bought a second-hand GoPro Fusion. I think this is the original one as well. So I got this off of MPB, and cost me, get a load of this, right, £68 this cost me, this camera. Now if I've got this set up correctly, if you're watching this on your phones or on your TVs at home, you'll be able to spin it around and have a look, see what the hell's going on behind me and in front of me. So yes, what do you think? I've currently got it on filming 3K 60 frames per second, because this is on 1080 60 frames per second, so they match up. You can do 5K 30 frames per second, but yeah, I don't really want to do that. Oh, there we go, moving already. Ooh, apparently it's got excellent stabilisation, this camera. We'll soon find out, won't we? There we go. Yeah, so looking on the reviews like 7-8 years ago, yeah, this was the daddy. This is the camera that started it all. So yeah, hell of a lot cheaper than going out and buying an Insta. And to be honest, does the same job even now. Oh, something's reported ahead. I was a bit dubious though, so I bought the camera. I didn't even, I saw it on MPB on their website, and I didn't do any homework on it or anything. I just went out and, well, I had it in my inbox in the basket for about a week or two, and then I thought, do you know what? No, screw it, I'm going to buy it. Because I want to see what all this 360 malarkey's about, because I still see other YouTubers and some big names as well using their Instas, but they just use them as selfie cams, which is just absolutely bonkers. If you're going to do that, just go out and buy yourself a cheap GoPro. So yes, I didn't do any homework, and I thought I was going to have a bit of a drama, because ooh, the editing software. So for my can't even spit my words out. I thought for a minute I was going to have massive issues, so I use Movie Studio, and that does have 360 editing software, but I wanted to use the GoPro version. So you can either get it on your phone, well back in the day you could, or on an app, or you can get it on your computer. So I got it on my computer, GoPro Fusion editing software. They still have it, which is a result. And to be honest, when it comes to loading up and editing, you just basically I watched a couple of videos on YouTube, and you put your footage on, load it up onto the screen, and it stitches it all for you. And back in the day, people obviously, because the computers were slightly bit slower, back in the day, people were complaining about how long it takes to stitch. But to be honest, I haven't really noticed much of a drama. I've done a few videos already, and it probably takes about 50% longer than editing some of my other stuff, depending on how much you know, special effects and whatever, or voiceovers that you do. And yeah, so quite impressed. So did that, and then what I do is I stick the footage that I've rendered, smash that into my Vegas Studio software, and yeah, seems to all be working a treat so far. I've done a few test runs and it's all good. Check it, you can tell we're getting into summer, and it's been such a long while since I've had all this going on. All the dead flies, look at the state of that. Jesus, they're obviously coming back with a vengeance. I've had a couple of years where I've just not got anything. Here's some bikers, hello everybody, hello, give them a little nod. So yeah, should be interesting to see how this all comes out. Otherwise, yeah, if it hasn't worked, I'm just talking to myself like a complete idiot. What an absolute mongo, eh? So yeah, it's quite close. It'd be interesting to see when I mount it on the other bikes, how they come out. You can play around with options. At the minute I've got the, I think it's the front facing camera facing me, and the other one facing that way, so it's probably pointing at the road. Let's just point that, let's move you up a little bit. There we go, tighten you up slightly, there we go. So yeah, that's a bit better, isn't it? But yeah, you have to with this you have to buy 2 memory cards as well. I don't know if you have to do that with the Instas, but this has 2 memory cards, and so I had to fork out for that. But yeah, £68, and then the price of 2 memory cards. How cool's that, to get some 360 footage? So I need to have a play around, see what other stuff that I can do, because as I said, this one will probably have it so that you can spin around and have a look and see what the hell's going on, which is great for, and I saw the military biker do this when he was riding through Canada. So when you've got all those mega views, which I don't quite have unless you're into like thatched cottages that we have here in Suffolk. Yeah, if you're into that, then yeah, fill your boots. But yeah, absolutely mega. Yeah, well happy. What a deal, what a steal. £68. Oh, absolutely mega. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video here, and because I'm starting to waffle as per usual. So if you like the videos, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, smash that red subscribe button, and if you are a subscriber, hit that notification bell. That way, every time this idiot uploads a video, you will get notified. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out.